So as some of you know, I'm getting ready to go on a little road trip. I'm taking my Jeep Liberty and I'm converting it into a little camper. So I've been pulling all that together and building it and putting together videos as I go along. So I wanted to tell you how you can make these insulated reversible car shades for your window. I have been searching all over and trying to find something that I could get for my Jeep, and nothing's fitting, so I just took it into my own hands to make something for myself. I'm going to tell you what you need to make this on your own. All right, so here are the things you're going to need to make your reversible insulated sun protectors for your window. I'm going to be using this paper, which is basically just some packing paper I got from Amazon. You'll use this to trace inside your window so that you can get the template right. You'll need a pencil, a really nice sharp pair of scissors. Some of this tape, duct tape will do, but I'm using some sort of like frog tape that is extremely sticky and dark. As you can see, this is very dark, and it'll help absorb heat on the side that I want to and give me a little bit of stability to this bubble wrap. And of course, you're going to need this bubble wrap / insulated material. I got this for free because I had ordered something from a food delivery service like Blue Apron, and all the food came packed in here. And so I decided I would use this and cut it apart and make my insulated window sun shields. You'll see it's reflective on one side, so when I need it to reflect the heat either from the sun in the car or from in the car to keep me warm. And then I'll use this tape, and I tape the whole side to create the black side for when I want to actually absorb heat, and also, like I said, give it a little bit of stability for the actual sunshade. Place your paper in the window and then take your pencil, trace around the inside edge to make your template for the shade. Now just cut out your template from the paper. And cut apart your insulated packaging so that you can set the template on top and get your form created. Now you're going to use your template and place it on top of the insulated material and cut it out. Once you have your insulated material cut, all you're going to do is layer tape across the clear side of the insulated material. After you get the whole back of the insulated material covered with tape, just use some tape to bind the edges. Alright, so they're not perfect, but there's black on this side to absorb heat. If I want to be camping in the cold, this will help bring the heat in from the outside. And then the other side is reflective, so I can put that in to reflect any sun. Also, if I put this on the inside at night, it'll help reflect my body heat. So let's go check it out and see how it fits. Okay, let's do a fit check here really quick. Do the reflective side first because that's what I'll probably have out most of the time. There, it fits well. Got a couple little corner gaps, but you know, at least then if I have the window down and to get some circulation, some air will come in there a little bit. But this way my body heat will be reflected in back to me at night when I'm sleeping. It'll also offer some reflective light if I have a light on inside the Jeep, so I'm pretty happy. And then again, this black side will be good if I need to absorb heat from the outside, bring heat in. And then during the day, if I want to actually reflect the heat out, we just flip it around and we have the reflective side out. And we just get this to fit right in the window. And there you go. So now I have my reflective side out, and it'll help keep the heat out of the car when it's a hot day.